Quality. Based on first-class bonds with compounds of liquid and pasty synthetic resins to first-class materials. From innovative ideas and technical expertise to reliable dosing and mixing systems and a strong partnership with Tartler GmbH, the expert for plants and custom-made products for the processing of polyurethane, silicon and epoxy resins. As an internationally renowned company with more than 35 years of experience and development know-how, we gladly solve individual challenges. Difficult mixing ratios, large differences in viscosity, opportunities for process optimization, or the installation of complex production systems. These challenges fuel our innovation spirit. In our company-owned Research, Development and Demonstration Center, RDD, we dedicate ourselves to our customers' core needs to set the highest quality standards, from mechanical assemblies to complex processes. We always pursue the goal of producing the best possible system for the process in question, working closely with material manufacturers and customers. We make sure that you can rely on us for the life of your machine, with comprehensive customer service that is consistently geared towards your satisfaction. We provide direct site support or remote online support, be it special requests, emergency situations, or technical advice. We do what needs to be done, fast and hassle-free. We keep a wide range of spare and consumable parts in stock at all times, and send our programmers and service technicians to any customer location in the world if required. Intelligently designed Tartler systems are used in aerospace, wind power, prototyping and mold making, as well as in the electrical, automotive, furniture and construction industries. In order to ensure the quality of our systems, we only use high-quality components down to the last screw. We produce the central components ourselves so that they are always optimally matched to our systems. They are created on-site by independent companies of the Tartler Group. ETP Walter are experts for the production and programming of control cabinets. ZT Odenwald are engineering specialists for precise milled and turned parts. Somata are advanced developers of special machines. In this way, we guarantee that our entire production portfolio meets the highest standards. Our modular design range not only includes dosing and mixing systems, we also make filling, refilling, and heated casting systems, drum presses, and rotating plastic mixers. Our long-lasting and user-friendly systems are in demand all over the world and are used wherever a mixing solution is needed. With quality made by Tartler, because Tartler has the right mixture of expertise and service to make dosing and mixing systems for synthetic resins. Mixing is possible. Tartler.